So we are back with another POV street photography session, and I will be shooting around my place. I moved here 2-3 months ago, and I was able to explore a little bit, walking around and running around here, and I think there is plenty of interesting photography locations. Today will be a kind of a follow-up of a previous video I did on why zoom lenses are really good, and also when it comes to street photography. Therefore, I will be using my Tamron 28-75. It's the version 1, by the way. A bit more about this area. It's actually kind of a mix of a residential, business, but also eating and drinking area. It has all of these things. It's kind of weird, right? But everything is at a small scale, meaning that here is not the city center of Hiroshima, but I know there is plenty of really good photography location. So that's it for the context. I wanted to keep it short, and let's go. Got my first few shots out of the way. These are always the more complicated. You have to pull the trigger for the first time, and it's difficult to find something that's worth photographing. Like the sky here. I think I got this one. It was just in the beam of light. Could be a nice shot. Because I have a zoom lens, I can stand here safely and use maybe 50 or even like somewhere around 60 millimeter. Otherwise, if I only had like maybe a 35 to have a composition I like, I would have to stand on the tram rails, which you see can be quite dangerous. So yeah, zoom lens really handy at times. Tram is coming, 28 millimeters, F1, F4. There is a time of the day where this actual beam of light is hitting this shop, but I don't know if it's later or if it already happened. I don't know. Let's walk a little bit this area and maybe come back later. And be waiting for someone with a bike. I actually set a button on my camera to toggle between the silent shutter and the normal shutter mode, because you know, in such small streets, when it's really obvious but trying to be discreet, I can quickly switch to the silent mode and be less noticeable, I guess. Hungry now, so I might just take a quick break, eat something, and restart. Ooh, I was lucky. I literally got 2 shots I'm really happy with within like 30 seconds. clearly taking pictures of the light because we are just in front of a vending machine. Not very interesting, but look at this. It's crazy. Crazy light. Got it. Time to go buy a beer. Time to edit these photos now.